Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Certainly. In Python, you can achieve something similar to static variables in functions by using default arguments and closures. While Python doesn't have a native static keyword like some other languages, you can use these techniques to create functions with persistent state. Let's create a simple tutorial with code examples to illustrate this concept. In Python, anonymous functions, also known as lambda functions, are functions without a name. While they are typically used for short-lived operations, you might find yourself in a situation where you need a function with a persistent state, similar to a static variable in other programming languages. This tutorial will show you how to achieve this using default arguments and closures. Consider a scenario where you want to create a counter function that keeps track of the number of times it has been called. We'll use an anonymous function and simulate a static variable to maintain the state. Lambda function. Default argument. State persistence. Testing. By leveraging default arguments and closures in Python, you can create anonymous functions with persistent state, simulating the behavior of static variables in other programming languages. This technique can be useful in scenarios where you need to maintain state across multiple calls to a function without resorting to global variables. ChatGPT.